You never feel rushed. You always feel welcome. And from Ivy at the front desk to Daniel and escorted into the office, then Dr. Paul comes in. It's and then he's got time to spend with you, as much as you need, which is really great because you can talk about things that maybe you normally wouldn't talk about, or that may be on the back burner, and you're saying, well, what about this? Because this has been happening to me. And whereas if you're there for the primary reason, which might be a cold or sore throat or whatever, and then you really get to talk to him, and he'll draw out of you how your overall health is, which I really like, and which really benefited me in the past, especially with regard to having a hip replacement. And because he referred me, and then literally 3 weeks later, I'm getting my left hip replaced, and I've had zero pain since then, and that was like over
4 years ago.
4 years already ago, zero pain, and I'm 72, and to have a day without pain is like, that's a good day, so.
And I'd just like to follow up on what Jim said. I really love the fact that I never feel rushed when we come in here. The moment we walk in, it's so welcoming, and everyone says hi, and they have fabulous coffee. Must admit, I love my coffee.
And I do too.
And then when we talk with Dr. Paul, it's like we are his only patients. That's the one thing we really love about Dr. Paul, is that we feel as though at that moment in time, we're all that matters.
It's all about us.
That's so important. So, yeah. And now that he is here at Elevated Health, this just seemed like a natural. I mean, we walked in, it was a no-brainer to come here.
I'll throw in this too, we're both, over 65, and, me 72, Susan 67, we're on Medicare. We do pay a monthly fee to come here, but to us, it is inexpensive for the care and the service that we get in our lives. It's huge value and benefit to our lives, and so it's cheap at the cost.
Yes, and when you really break it down, time is money. And if you're going to another doctor's office where you're waiting in the waiting room, then you're waiting in the exam room, and then you're waiting for the doctor to show up, and excuse me, and then possibly you have to wait for them to do something and then come back. I mean, it doesn't matter, retired or earning, still working, your time is your money, and you make time work for you rather than control you. So this gives us freedom, flexibility, and a better sense of relief knowing that we're not going to have to wait, and we can go in and take care of what needs to get taken care of.
I agree. Yeah, we're lifetime members.
Yes.